Hi, Corbin.
Hi.
Hi, Carson.
Hey.
So we're going to pick some carrots today?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. This is the funnest part about harvesting carrots. They're below the ground. You're not sure what you're going to get till you pull them up. Try this one, Corbin.
Yes.
Try this one right here. Pull this one up.
This.
Yeah, pull it.
Carrot.
Oh, wow, look at that. Put it on here. Pick more. Go ahead, Carson. Wow, smaller one. It's got a big stalk.
Yeah, it is.
But we can eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead, pick some more. Grab this one, Corbin.
I'm gonna grab this one.
Grab this one. Try this one right here.
That one? Oh, fat
nice.
one.
Look at that one.
Whoa, look at this one.
I want to get all that dirt off.
That one's got kind of funny shape to it, doesn't it? These are Chantenay carrots, so they're naturally a small carrot. It's not the ones you buy in the store. These are taste a little better and a little smaller. Go ahead, pull another one. Oh wow, look at that.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, that's a pointy, sharp.
Look at that one.
Dang. Whoa, that's big.
That's a nice one.
Yep, big skinny.
Whoa.
Oh.
Whoa, that one's
Look
fat.
at that.
Get all that dirt off.
Well, we'll pull the rest of these and we'll come back.
Yeah.
All right, we're back. So we got about, what did we say?
30.
30, about 30 carrots. Not bad. I think I only planted
30,
40,
50 carrots.
I don't know, 40 something seeds maybe. I forgot how many I planted. That's not bad. Some of these are really nice, huh?
This one's nice. That one's nice.
Yeah, some of these are nice. We're gonna roast these. We also got some turnips too, huh?
Yeah.
A bunch of turnips. We'll eat good today.
Yeah, we will.
So we thank the Lord for blessing us with some good food.
Yeah.
All right.
Carrots.
From Alderman's Harvest, we say goodbye.
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 Goodbye.